This is a walkthrough exhibition that represents mobility themed through by traditional vehicles. The first vehicle that you see is Ramayana Golden Chariot. This chariot is used in Home Thai traditional dance and is also represent land travel. Another one is Sukarnahong Royal Barge is used to represent water travel. You can get interact with each vehicle by scanning the QR code. Pop up the animation tell you the story of these vehicles. Everyone are allowed to take photos. Please post on social media with hashtag Expo 2020 Dubai Thai.
Throughout Thailand's history, water was at the center of life, which allows us to connect with each other and the world. We've always loved to exchange knowledge and culture.
And also to trade, so Thailand became a center for the region. Today, more than ever before, Thailand serves as an important hub.
Let us show you more about Thailand.
Follow us here on your right to get on board our drone.
Let's go!
Okay, now
Did you know that Thai international airports can handle more than 240 million passengers a year? And there's also a big center for aviation maintenance.
Sure, today Thailand is a regional hub for transportation, with seamless connections from water to rail to road to air.
In here on Innovation Hub, Research Center, and Learning Center is also important, isn't it, Rob? Hey, where did Rob go? Did anyone see Rob? Let's go in and find him. Oh, here you are. What are you doing, Rob?
I came to see how to make bioplastics. They disintegrate naturally to protect the environment.
Biochemistry is one way to add value to farm products for future industry and to help preserve our planet.
Oh no, we got caught.
Oh, hurry up, this way.
Oh, right now I see fiber optic cable.
Let me take you to our signature spot, Thailand City. Amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, that's what I must visit.
Let's go get monsters. Be careful, Rob.
Let's get out of here right away.
Ouch! Phuket is one of smart cities in Thailand that uses technology to improve quality of life.
വൈബ്രേഷനിലാണ് അതൊക്കെ എന്നിട്ട് നിൽക്കിടത്തില്ല
Why? There's a patient being rushed to the hospital.
Let's go see if we can help. Who is the doctor, Mali?
Do you see that robot? That is the doctor. It's controlled by a real doctor who is in Chiang Mai, another Thai smart city.
Really?
Yes, it's long-distance surgery with 5G infrastructure. Things are more convenient, like teaching, learning, and logistics. Thailand is a world-class medical hub with more than 3.4 million foreign medical visitors a year.
Great. Well, now the patient is safe. Let's go to the other right to see something else. We almost crashed.
Oh goodness, where is the water coming from? Oh, that's it. Smart farming uses digital systems to support agricultural activities. Yummy! That's too much, Rob.
Yummy. What could be better than this for my drone? Darn, the drone battery is running down. But don't worry, we can use waste material from plants to recharge it.
That's right. Corn pots are one type of biomass, and now we have enough water to all that.
We're developing technology and innovations and sharing them. It's not just for Thailand, but for the whole world.
We want to connect our region with humanity throughout the world. That way, we can all make progress together and grow sustainably.
Does everybody know what the heart of mobility in Thailand really is?
Let's go to the Expo to find out. Decide never to leave. They live in Thailand for good.
Let's look at some stories of foreigners who stayed.
I am here because of Muay Thai. Muay Thai is more than a sport for me. Muay Thai is more than a martial art for me. Muay Thai is my life.
Oh, it's amazing. For me, I first came to Thailand to eat and to travel. Just as excited about the spicy, the balance, and the diversity of Thai food.
Wow. I came to Thailand with my family 58 years ago. And I've never regretted that decision that I chose to stay in Thailand.
I was delighted to receive the Prince Mahidol Award. It was a fantastic recognition of the achievements. I'm a great admirer of the Thai health system, that everyone can get access to good care.
I'm working in so many countries, but I decided to study my business in Thailand. because I believe in the country's potential.
I always dreamed of retiring here since I first visited in 1994. So we retired and moved here, and it was the best decision we ever made.
مملكة تايلاند بلد جميل جدا، لا يكمن سحره في طبيعته أو في أماكنها الأثرية، بل يكمن في طيبة الشعب التايلاندي.
Just give me a business opportunity. It also gave me an opportunity to meet my best friend, like a brother from another mother.
The Thai people are what brought me here, and that's what keeps me here. It gives me this deep sense of comfort, and I just couldn't imagine living anywhere else.
أينما كنت ما تشعر بالغربة أبدا، تشعر وكأنك في منزلك.
Thai people have not only shared with me their amazing food, but also the value of eating together.
I want to thankful my Thai friend in Thailand to become what I am today.
If it wasn't for Thailand, I wouldn't be who I am today. I'm very thankful for Thailand helping me and my company to achieve what we did. I'm proud to be Thai.
The heart of Thailand is Thai people, and our people have empowered our mobility. Our way of life, culture, and hospitality bring millions of foreigners to visit.
Absolutely. So come and visit and you see for yourself.
สวัสดี
Thailand
Let's go.